And this is a Pipedrive contact management tutorial. As you can see, we're inside Pipedrive, and this is the second option, which is deals. As you can see that we already have different source of filters. You could also add deals. Let's say you want to add deal. So you want to name, let's say the name is Smith. What sort of organization? What is the title? Smith Deal or Smith, whatever you want to put. Value, let's say $500, and then let's say Barbados dollar, whatever it is. And then the source channel, where did you get them from, marketplace or anything, and then click on save. As you can see, it is automatically saved, and you can also move them around from one place to another, and that is extremely simple. And this is in pipeline format. If you want to see it in a list format, as you can see, you see the list of everyone and how it is sorted. Let's say you want to sort from least to most in ascending value, you can do that. You could also do descending, where you see the most important by value, and then you could also select their expected close date and these things like that. You could also see the forecast, which is just open deals without expected close date, things like that, and all these things. You could also see all pipelines if you have multiple. You could also select plus deal over here. You could also import any sort of data from your spreadsheet. And this is the basic tutorial for contact management. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.